In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Arclight camo here on the MPC-25 SMG in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and head into your gunsmith and go specifically into this customize tab right here and into the camo section, specifically this multiplayer tab. This is going to be where all of your camo challenges are. You're going to have to do quite a bit of these to get Arclight because there is a few prerequisites. The first main obvious one is going to be getting Shattered Gold here on the MPC-25. Now I will say I have a full video breaking down the exact strategy that you're going to want to use if you want to get Shattered Gold here on this SMG as fast as possible, and that's going to include all of these other ones, all the military ones and the special ones, because that is the requirement to get Shattered Gold. So if you want a full method on that, I highly recommend checking out that video, as well as checking out our other videos on Shattered Gold for the other SMGs, because guess what, you do have to get Shattered Gold on 6 SMGs in order to even unlock the challenge for Arclight. And the challenge for Arclight is 10 double kills or better with the MPC-25. Now this is super easy to go and do, and there's two things that you're going to want to do for this. One of them is kind of just like a little bonus thing, but the main method is just going to be playing hardpoint on small maps. And what you're going to want to do is sit directly outside the hardpoint. As two people rush in, go ahead and get both of those kills, and you just have to do this 10 times, essentially 20 kills in quick succession, and you'll be good to go. Now the little bit of a bonus thing, I'd recommend playing hardcore for this. Hardcore makes getting double kills a lot easier, since obviously it doesn't take as many bullets or as much damage in order to take someone out. So that's another thing that you could throw in there if you would like. Obviously it's not a requirement, you don't have to play hardcore in order to knock this out. It just makes it a little bit easier, so it's worth mentioning. But yeah, if you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.